3 squared plus 4, open parentheses, 2 minus 1, close parentheses. What's the value of this expression? Please pause video and think about it. Whenever we have any order or some orders of operations, we need to follow, obviously, we need to follow the correct order, because without this, everybody would say a different answer, and this would create a chaos in math. So in order to avoid this, mathematicians created a convention which is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS is an acronym. So let's see what PEMDAS is. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And finally, you tell me, S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. So here we have the highest, and here we have the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is you must go for parentheses at first, before any other thing, before anything else. Then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. So keep in mind, they have the same priority and precedence. So MD or DM does not matter. And finally, go for addition and subtraction. So with that being said, let's do this original expression. But for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Another Saul Goodman, Better Call Saul kind of expression. Okay, anyway, do we have any parentheses in the original expression? Yes, here we have the parentheses. We must do that at first. So let's write down everything and do that step by step. 3 squared plus 4, and then inside the parentheses, 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we do. There is an exponent here. So 3 squared gives us 9 plus 4 times 1. Okay, no more exponents and parentheses. Do we have any multiplication? Yes, we do. So 4 times 1, which just gives us 1. And finally, just an addition. So 9 plus 4, it gives us 13, and that's the final answer. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had 2 minus 1 inside the brackets and squared? So please drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, to support me in my work, and like the video if you haven't already. See you on our next video, and all the best to all of you, my dear students.